Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start a Toyota Tacoma with a key fob. Press the lock button, sit in the driver's seat, and hold the brake pedal. Press the start button once while holding the brake to fire the engine. If the fob battery is low, place the fob directly against the start button or the dash sensor and try again. I will also cover safety checks and troubleshooting steps to get you moving confidently. When a Tacoma won't start with the fob, begin with simple checks you can do quickly. Replace the key fob battery if detection fails, and test the brake pedal switch because the car requires confirmation before starting. Look for blown fuses in the dash panel linked to the ignition system. If those steps fail, try the proximity method with the fob against the start button and listen for any clicking or accessory lights. Safety matters when using a key fob to start any vehicle, including the Tacoma. Engage the parking brake and confirm the vehicle is in park before starting to prevent rollaway risks. Never start the truck in an enclosed garage without ventilation because of carbon monoxide danger. Carry a spare fob battery or a physical key tucked safely so you can still enter and start the truck during unexpected battery or electronic issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.